I've heard the word weirdo used a few times.
Weirdo's used quite freely, I think, I would say.
I've heard weirdo a lot in school.
Pretty much every day.
I don't even know why you would use that word to begin with, to be honest. Define the word at the end of the day, you know, is anybody really a weirdo? We're all individuals. We all face different things in life.
If I was called a weirdo, I'd feel uncomfortable.
Weirdo's not a word that sits well with me.
Mental, probably once a day, more than once a day.
In various different ways towards people that may have mental health problems.
I've heard the word mental used quite openly as well.
People say it like, oh, that's mental, that, or you're mental. It's used in everyday language now.
It's wrong to do that, and it makes their self-esteem even worse.
Such a simple word, but if used in the wrong way, it can really have a massive impact.
Say that to an individual that may be struggling mentally could be quite significant.
I personally didn't think it was a problem until I encountered other people who were completely, that word made them feel very uncomfortable.
I've heard it a lot of times.
In the last week, I've heard it quite a lot, actually, from people that I know.
The individual that's used the word probably doesn't really know much about what that person's going through in life.
I understand it now to be quite a derogatory word, that some people aren't aware of how it can implicate different members of the public and young people in general.
Having that dialogue means that people can kind of have their awareness and kind of maybe choose different words.
But it does surprise me that people think it's okay to use them in the way that they do. Some people do use them in a negative way and in quite a derogatory way to people, to hurt them.
There's a lot of people out there that are completely blind to how many people in society do actually suffer.
If you look at things like race or sexuality, a lot of derogatory words were used in the past that we would simply not accept now. So I think with mental health, the awareness is just not there.
They probably don't fully understand or know enough about mental health.